Alan brought in his 2020 Supra. The 2020 Supra is a car we've been doing a little bit of background R&D work because it's a new car to the market. They've only been out for a couple of years now. There's not many of them in Australia, surprisingly enough. That particular car is off a BMW base, so it has got a BMW motor and it's got a Toyota badge on it, basically. We've done a little bit of work in terms of downpipe and exhaust, and we're already pushing around 280 kilowatts at the wheels from 230, 225, around there. We've asked them to bring the car back so I can have a bit of a fiddle, so I can see if I can achieve just a bit more power without going too close to the ragged edge. Whenever we do R&D, we always endeavour to get more of these cars in. We've already tuned 2 or 3 of them now. We haven't done hundreds of them or volumes of them at this stage. The market isn't there, but working with Alan is helping us achieve our goals with that particular car, and we've already had interest. Once we finish our development work for clients to bring in cars, we've probably got about 4 or 5 cars just waiting to come in already.
I've got a silver 2020 Supra, and I brought it to Autotech so I could get more work done, get some more power out of it, and just to make it more fun to drive. I'm going to take the car road racing and also to the drag strip. A bit of racing and also a bit of street as well. Chose Autotech because Spiro's been tuning cars for over 20 years. He tunes Subarus, which are very difficult to tune, and with the Supra as well, not many have been worked on in Australia. So I chose him because I just trust his experience. I've had this Supra for about 10 months now, so just under a year. It's an absolute dream to drive, like you take it around a road course, it's super grippy, you take it down the drag strip, it's very fast and it drives straight, and it's a great street car to drive too, very comfortable. As great as the car is, I just want to get more out of it.
The Toyota Supra that we've been doing development work on, we've got it at around 270 odd kilowatts, 275 around there. I tried to squeeze a little bit more out of it, but it seems to be getting on its last legs on the turbo. I'm sure there's an extra couple of PSI there that we can try and squeeze, but we'll push a bit harder a bit later when we do the rest of the exhaust system and his dump and all that sort of stuff. Alan's looking at upgrading the turbo in the near future, which would be an awesome upgrade because I don't think there's that much more in that turbo in terms of power on 98 octane fuel. With the race ROM, we were able to enable the 4 map option, so he's now got 4 maps at the push of a button, so we can change the boost levels in each map to customise his tune so he can have a standard power level right up to a high power level, medium power level, etc. But doing the turbocharger, that will certainly enhance that car.